Hi Blazers, in this quick video tutorial we're going to show you when you have that basic issue when you install Windows and it's installed in an English language that doesn't work for you. So I'm in Australia, so when I installed Windows for example and it's gone to the UK English and you press Shift 2 and instead of getting the @ sign you get the speech mark type thing. What you do to fix this is go down to the bottom where you've got the ENG UK, click on that and go to the country that you're in, so I just click that one, and then when you click on the Shift 2 now you'll see the @ sign, and that's how you fix that little language keyboard issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos for more videos like this. Thanks again. See you on the next one.